With the Evergreen IM motor installed and the ground wire connected to earth ground, selecting 115 or 230 operation is as simple as installing either the white or the yellow voltage jumper into the Evergreen IM motor. Each jumper is labeled with the voltage rating. We will install the white 115 volt jumper. Next, we will plug in the harness, which is keyed for no mistakes. The Evergreen IM motor harness is separated and flagged into 3 mini harnesses. We will start with the high voltage power connections. We will remove the PSC motor's neutral wire and replace it with the Evergreen IM motor's neutral wire. Next, we will remove the line voltage input wire to the circuit board and place that wire on the piggyback terminal supplied on the black L1 wire of the Evergreen IM motor. Then, put that terminal back where it was. Next, we will remove the PSC motor connections from the heat and cool terminals on the circuit board. This is where we will connect the Evergreen IM motor's high voltage signal wires. These wires will determine the horsepower selection. To operate the Evergreen IM motor at 1/3 horsepower, we will connect the black wire to the heat and cool terminals and insulate the red wire for safety. Notice that the black and red wires are supplied with terminals and Y connections to speed up the process. The jumper I used is also supplied with the motor. The last step is to connect the Evergreen IM motor's speed selections for the heat and cool demands to the circuit board. The speed wires from the Evergreen IM motor are energized with 24 volts AC. So we will connect the high-speed yellow wire to thermostat Y for cooling demand and the medium high-speed orange wire to thermostat W for the heating speed. The last wire to connect is the blue wire to the thermostat C 24 volt common. We will insulate the unused speed wires for safety.